Hey guys, welcome back to She's Crafty. I am doing a bit of a layout share today, yesterday, today, and tomorrow, because I did these layouts at a crop I went to for Erica Rose Creates. It was up in Northern Illinois, and it was so much fun. Thank you, Erica. But I did not film a few of my layouts, so I thought I would share them, but I did do them for the Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. I used a kit from October from the ScrapRoom. It was the Flavors of the Month kit, and I've used it before, and I knew I could get another layout from it, so why not? So this sketch is by Scrappy Sisters, and by Jessica Ware of Scrappy Sisters. She created the sketch, and how fun is it? We've got torn paper bits, a couple of photos doing a wonky kind of feel, title, and then some embellishment clusters. Oh, and splatty bits big time. So I started my layout using some Jen Hadfield Gold Mist for these splatty bits that are on the black. And I didn't go crazy with them afterwards because I was at a crop and I was trying not to destroy the tablecloths. They were white. I'm like, oh, yikes. So just in the background, I had a baggie on standby. So I did that. I did have two photos, which is awesome. They're kind of 3x4, and I matted them a few different times with some of the scraps, which is easy peasy. I also popped up the photos on a little bit of craft foam. On top of this one right here, I took this bottom piece. This was from Pretty Little Studio Savannah Dreams, and this was a goodie that was part of our goodie bag at the crop. So I took the bottom one and popped it there to have a little something something, so that was fun. Some of my pieces are up on a little bit of craft foam, so that I had some different dimension. Now these two pattern papers here, I did tear the edges, which is a favorite thing of mine to do. But this black scallop piece right here, this was a sticker that was on this sticker sheet. Let me grab out this sticker sheet. Oh guys, this is a hot mess. Yeah, it was a sticker that was right here. And it's not a full 12x12 sticker. It's kind of like 11, and I don't know. There would be like a 1/4 inch gap, but the gap is underneath the photo. So that's perfectly fine. It looks like a 12x12, fine. Now there's these green, purple. I have a black. I think I had a gray. Is it? Oh, here it is right here. Those enamel shapes were part of the kit. So that's super fun. Did I tell you guys that this is Echo Park's Halloween Magic line too? Super important. Really cute line. So I did that, but then these white enamel dots that are right here, they were donated to the crop from Cat Scrappiness, and they're really great enamel dots. They're translucent and fun. And I used a whole strip of the white and a couple of the yellow on another layout. So clearly I was digging them. So I have that going on. But aside from that, super simple layout, great sketch to play along with. It was so easy to use at the crop. And then for my leftovers from this kit, I've got this. I've used a really nice amount of the stickers. At least I feel like I did. And then for the, guys, look at these. This is my leftovers from this kit. At one point, I had 6 pieces of pattern paper, so from this collection. So I feel like I did pretty good. I had, let's see, I still have some like little, hold on, I'm trying to get to them. I still have a nice amount of cute little die cuts though. So we must have gotten a ton because I have lots of them. And I've got this great sticker sheet. So I'll probably put this aside and put it in with my Halloween goodies collections. But I think I have effectively, as things go, killed off this kit, and I can get it out of my kit rotation, as it were. because, oh, not that one, because it is, yeah, I used it and used it well. So that's what I have today. I will have links down below for other people who are playing along with this app. I am so excited. I'm on day 27. I'm hoping to make it through day 30. So that will mean I did the entire thing, which I have never done before, but I totally wanted to challenge myself. Okay, so thank you for watching. And I did say I think I'll have links down below for everybody else playing along, but any questions, any of that kind of stuff, throw it in the thinger dopper down there and I'll get right back to you. Bye, guys.